That rocked.
It won't hurt me. I promise.
Better not, I'll kill you.
It won't hurt. She's gonna be nasty.
If you get hurt, she'll kill you.
I'll kill you. Exactly.
Logan's getting in the refrigerator. Isaac's
Too hard, Lily.
shutting the door.
Put your hand back.
No.
Alright.
One time when
Alright, Willie.
Willie was
Drop kick it.
gosh.
He's dead. Did I hurt you bad?
That's good enough. Once again, that's
Not really.
I'm pushing anybody
The
else.
part that hurt was when I hit my head.
Oh, dang.
Alright, Willie, your turn.
What happened?
I hit my head on that thing.
Daddy, my baby daddy.
It's not that bad. It didn't hurt that bad, man. Just put your hand there.
That bad. Take the light bulb out. Next time we'll get it.
Yeah, let's like.
There's a line in there?
Oh my gosh.
Check that out right there.
Alright, try to look, Lucy.
Okay, and you get in the freezer, Isaac.
It's gonna be a knot, though.
Not the styrofoam.
Alright. Okay. Perfect compartment. Let me hit it though.
Okay.
I got my head smashed.
I want to knock it over next.
Don't worry, he's not gonna do it anymore.
What are you gonna do? Drop kick it?
What should I do? Suplex him?
Hey, let me get on top of it.
I bet I could do it.
Oh no, you guys!
Don't suplex it. That's not that cool.
Is there any get up off the ground?
Just kick
Tipping
it.
your porta potty over.
You better watch your head, Willie.
He needs a helmet on.
Wait. Oh crap! The door fell off. He knocked dust off of that one.
That rock? Dude, Logan, you hit it so hard, dude. It's not even staying together. The doors fell off. How was that, Will?
Pretty sweet.
Hey, I want to turn from back here and knock it forward.
Alright, Jen. Go, I got you. Watch out, Jen. Watch out, Jen's gonna get her a piece.
Hey, move the doorway.
She hit his head at the top and bowed the top all up inside.
Ooh.
That didn't work out too well.
We're gonna throw it in the dumpster in the trash anyway. Yeah.
And the pet carrier.
Yeah.
What an idea.
Literally.
You taking the dog?
Hey, look, guys.
You take the dog?
Maybe.
Hello?
Well, never mind then. Okay.
I'm gonna break it.
No, don't break it. Here. Hold this. Oh yeah. Wait, like this.
Oh my gosh.
Get you one of these things to throw at me.
Hey, I'm gonna smash this.
Oh, crap!
Almost got nearly thrown by this piece of hard metal.
Oh, crap, that would have hurt.
Did it hit your lip?
Yeah, I hit him in the face.
Oh crap. Oh, that hurts.
You okay?
Let's not do that. No.
Hey, I'm gonna smash this off the fridge.
Okay.
Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
Hey, pick it all up, Jen. Which end you want?
What are you guys gonna do?
We're just gonna throw it over the fence.
Ready, stay right.
Whoa! What if your wife is over there? This should be squashed. Where is she? I don't know.
Another downhill slide